Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in not in today's newspaper, or actually yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, April the 9th. It's actually today, Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and in the Saturday newspaper there is no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the Tuesday edition, Tuesday, April the 5th, 2022. We have 4 puzzles left, but I've already done 3 puzzles. The 1 star, the 2 stars I've already solved, and the binary I've solved. So now it's time for the Tectonic with a 1 star, and this will be number 4389. 4389. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because for a 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Do we see here dual boxes in this puzzle? I see one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then the following question, triple box. Can we see here any triple boxes? Yeah, here, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this a triple box for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay, triple box. Do we have more triple boxes? No. Then the following question, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here in this puzzle? No, no quadra boxes. Then the following question, well, the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, constructions, some structures. For example, this shape, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah. I see here rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Do we have more? The last one, I believe. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following figure or shape, how about the L shape? This is the L shape, mirrored. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We've only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Oh, forget this L shape. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay. But this box, oh sorry, this shape or constriction or figure, this box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 5. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes in this puzzle that you need to recognize. We have only 4 out of 6. Maximum is 6. But in this puzzle we have, only 4. I see here another one. Oh, this one is also rotated. So let me continue. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And this figure, this one is rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 4 out of 6. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. Alright, so let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be, wait. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1. Well, this box cannot be a 1. I've marked this box with 4 and 5, so the 1 should be here or there. But if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here, so it's not the solution to place the 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. So 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 there, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. That box is also connected with this box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. You have a double 5 there. So definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. All right. Okay, now we go up. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Difficult part. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so only place left for the 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3, 4 and 3, and also 4 and 3. Okay, 4 and 3. Okay, 4 and well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, double 3 there, and can be a 4, double 4 there. Definitely a 5 here. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be a 3, double 3 there, can be a 4, double 4 there, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes for a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also download the playlist in my channel. Yeah, for my channel. I have a lot of playlists. Playlist for the tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of playlists that I have for the puzzles or Sudokus. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.